How to enable or disable voice access timeout after no speech on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, tap on voice access, then go down and tap on settings, and then scroll down. In here, tap on timeout. After no speech, tap on the toggle button to switch that on or turn it off. And it said here, stop voice access after 30 seconds if no speech is detected. So you can turn it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.